So guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we are on Bangs Lake, day 2 of this like every single day tournament thing going on here. It's up north from where I live, and not a lot of boats in this tournament, not a lot at all, very, very small. But that means there's less competition, so we'll see what we can do. It's a small lake, no wake in the morning until 10 o'clock. And then if you look the lake up, it's a big ice fishing lake. A lot of people ice fish out here. They have a big tournament every year. And it's really clear water, lots of perch, lots of pike, that sort of thing in here. But we're going for bass. See what we can pull off. See you guys in a bit. I'm gonna go check out the meeting and get on our way.
Nice one. That's big.
Really big.
Outer ways. Oh, yeah.
Get him. Get him. I don't want to lose my bait.
I don't want to break.
My first northern ever. He donked it. It went donk. I'm not sticking my finger in there. You got pliers?
Yeah, there should be.
I was gonna. Thank you. What's fine? We still got him. He's 12, I think. Oh my goodness! I know. I guess so, because we're both doubled up, and isn't that a roll? Like if
I don't know.
that's a roll for.
Gonna keep, though.
It's close. Yes.
He was munching it as I was. Come on. The board was right here.
Yes. Yeah, it should put him on the board. Take care of your foot. 13. It's 13 and a quarter or something. Yes. I don't think he's gonna keep for you. Really nice one. That might win it. That's a really nice one. Joe's like, it's my fish.
That's what I'm talking about.
Good job.
Watch the motor, Joe.
Oh, yeah. When I get excited, I mess up everything. Where's the remote?
I don't know. I can just jump on the motor. Checked it.
Yeah. Measure it anyway.
No, it's worth a try. I'm not gonna measure it. I've had fish where I've thought they don't and they do.
Right.
It's 11 inches. Thank you. Go get bigger for next year. No. I'm like,
You never know. Yeah,
it's the same fish. Yeah, the new water, I think. 11 and a half. We're getting bigger. Get away! It's like, as soon as we catch a fish, there's a boat right behind us. My spot. It's funny though, it's like out of nowhere there's a boat. There's people, they've been sitting in there the whole time. Oh my gosh, yes! Give me some. Yes. I think the GoPro is right. Yeah, the GoPro is right. That's bag of those. Nice. Why not? It's like you're tangled up in line. I'll just take it because you're all tangled up in my line and stuff. Yeah, just. Oh, he keeps. There's no doubt about it.
Oh yeah.
Like he's
golden. Okay.
3. Give me some.
Do you guys have a wax?
I'm like afraid now because I don't want to break them. Yeah. Well, if we have to, we'll use those. But eating them well enough that they should eat the 5-incher, no problem. No way. Oh no. Give me one. I want a fish.
Measuring anyway.
I don't think so. It's gonna be close if so. It's in the net. He's just security. Oh, don't lose our number. It's, yeah. How big is he? You gotta go the other way.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, he's small. Yeah, it's... Yes. He's a keeper. He bit it like it was a monster. He bit it a lot harder than he seemed. Ate it. He touches. Holy. He touches. He touches.
That's like 0.8. It's like, oh, we got 6.8.
But now we got a limit.
Yeah.
But we got a limit. That's what I should have been doing for the pike and.
Boat number 4. What do we have?
Oh, we out a limit.
That's right now. 5 keepers.
Okay, so is this...
They're all in the mesh bag.
They're all in here? Yep.
You guys want to weigh a big fish?
Yeah, we'll weigh a big fish.
Do you have a big fish in or?
That's big.
Alright, here, hold this. We're going to weigh the big fish first.
Sounds pretty fat though.
5 fish, 7.50. Very nice. What's your names?
My name is Alan Spencer.
George Buss. Now, is it true this is your first tournament?
Oh no.
Come on,
Not at all.
tell me. Tell me. This is your first tournament?
If you want it to be.
Hey, congratulations. What did you catch them on today?
We caught them on a mixture of a few different baits, a lot of slow movement stuff, finesse styles like Ned rigs and weightless baits.
Yeah. Good, good, good. Okay, what was working for you?
Wacky rig.
Wacky rig. Okay. So, if you had to do it over, what would you change?
We would probably start fishing the spot where we found the majority of them sooner and move off the bank a little more.
So they were deeper?
Some of them were, we caught them up shallow and deep. just slow down probably more than anything.
Did any of them come on your new fish hog lures?
Nope.
Thank you, gentlemen. Mid or deep?
Tight.
Thank you very much.
You can take the mesh bag out and put it in here.
What school are you from? All right, Robert is the big winner.
Yeah!
We're gonna need, actually, why don't we have the boat he Robert was in, because Robert's gonna be receiving a lot of stuff here, so we're gonna need people to hold the stuff here, so. Hold on one second.
That's for you.
You got two.
It wouldn't matter to get the good fish.
You got two fish, you cold.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Yeah, we cold out a fish for you.
And we qualified for a steak.
You get a pair.
Oh, yeah, no.
Well, this is going on WhatsApp today, baby.
There you go.
All right.
All right, guys.
Nice job.
Just like I said, now it's time to buy a bass boat.
All right.
Thanks for taking the
In second place, with 7.50 is Manuka.
Woo! Yeah! Yeah, that was the first one.
Well done.
We get two rods?
You get a rod and reel. Coach too.
Joe, get over here.
This is about coaches too, man. There ain't no coaches, there's no fishing. Yep. Thank you.
Thank you.
You get the bags too.
So, Manuka, where did you guys catch your fish on?
A lot of finesse.
They're living. All right, congratulations, guys.
Bangs Lake, second place trophy. Look at that. We did it. We'll get back to you guys in a second and explain what we did today, and yeah, that's pretty much it. See you in a minute. Like I just said, I'm gonna go over some of the stuff we were doing in the tournament. This is afterwards. I didn't have time to film anything right after the tournament or at the tournament. I also kind of forgot, but we are back home. Anyways, we were doing a lot of fishing with different baits and different things early in the morning for about the first 30-40 minutes of the tournament, trying to find those fish that we had and brought in. Most of those fish we caught right away in the spot. Later on in the day, we started just catching a bunch of dinks. Not a lot of big ones anymore. So we didn't cold much, but we caught a ton of keepers. Besides that, we were throwing all natural colors because it's a clear water lake. We didn't even try anything that wasn't natural colors. We only threw natural colors. So that's that. You probably already knew that. We threw a lot of wacky rigs, and we were catching them all over the board. Deep, shallow, all up and down, like I said in the video a few times. It's just a fun day. Fish were just eating. If you knew where to find them, catch them one after another. I mean, I missed a bunch on camera as well. Anyways, that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Quick shout out to Joe Tischer. Thank you for taking me and Bus. I really like fishing with you, George. It was awesome. And you pulled through. If it wasn't for you, we wouldn't have gotten second. Or I wouldn't have if you weren't there. That sort of thing. George's link to his Instagram is down below. And that is it. See you guys on the next video. Make sure you leave a like, leave a comment what you thought of the video, and also hit that subscribe button. I want to try to get this video to, let's get 30 likes on this video this time. It's a pretty small goal. I think we can beat it. So go hit that like button down below, give me to 30 likes, and I will hopefully be posting more tournament videos soon. I've got some tournaments coming up planned, and it's gonna get crazy once again. See you guys later. Bye.